Sorry to keep getting asked on whether or not I miss working and what I do all day. So I guess today we'll show you what I do all day. First, I started with waking up to a cup of coffee and chilling on my hammock in the room.
Heading to the beach.
And now we're walking to the beach.
With my tour guide.
At least I won't get us lost. What's your reaction now?
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down.
View of the weather today looks beautiful, as usual. This is the strip on Alona Beach, where basically all the bars and stores and all are. And down the little side street of MacDo there, that's how you get to the beach, and it's also where more bars and things are. Kind of the busiest section of the area.
The fish was there. I saw them.
Did you? This is what we do all day. Alright, so this isn't something I do every day, but you know, occasionally you have to have a drink and chill, so I'm making myself a Godfather. Shout out to Nico. And then after a long day at the beach, come back, dry off to a cocktail. The life. So after a nice little cocktail and drying off, take a shower, and go to our favorite restaurant, Mist. Now, unlike America, things don't all come out at the same time, so far this is all we got. We'll let you know how it is. And then you have my Bailey's caramel frap. My burger looks delicious. Had it before, it is delicious. Some kind of shrimp thing. I forget what it was called, but it looks delicious.
Shut up. Even though it's not.
Not gonna lie. Took a bite of that shrimp and it was damn good. Napaling Reef, situated off the coast of Panglao Island, is one of Bohol's diving gems. This underwater haven is characterized by a steep wall that drops off into the depths, adorned with various marine species and vibrant coral formations. Divers at Napaling are often greeted with the sight of colorful reef fishes, large Gorgonian sea fans, soft corals, and sponges. Schools of barracudas, jacks, and sometimes even reef sharks can be spotted in the deeper parts. The clear waters, coupled with the rich marine biodiversity, make Napoling a favorite spot for both beginner and advanced divers. Visibility is typically excellent, allowing for a clear view of the underwater landscape. Moreover, the currents are relatively mild, making it suitable for less experienced divers as well. Like many diving spots in the Philippines, it's crucial to respect the marine environment and adhere to eco-friendly diving practices to preserve its beauty for future generations. If you're planning a trip or looking for more current details about Napoling Reef, I'd recommend checking with local dive shops in Panglao or diving forums for the latest conditions and guidelines.
I have no desire to pay to exercise.
And yet here I am. So the water bikes cost 700 pesos for 30 minutes. It is quite a bit of exercise. I think it would have probably been a little more fun if the weather had been a little nicer and the water had been a little clearer that day, but overall, not a bad experience. I do recommend it.
Now we're gonna schedule her for a test diving class. Yeah, exactly.
I'm scared.
So you're about to go on your first scuba diving, I don't know, adventure, journey, whatever. What's your reaction?
So here is my instructor. He's giving me a first instructions for the first session in the shallow area of the water. Yeah. At this time, my instructor, Kuya Ryan, is already demonstrating what to do before jumping into the shallow water. I focused but pray silently.
What's your reaction now?
Lutang ka na. Relax ka na. Okay?
Yeah, salamat.
Nasuot mo na yung mga pins.
So heavy.
It is.
Not in the water though.
Kaya mo nang hangin yung BCD mo.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect.
Sipa. Okay, mga half. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Yay! Wow.
Okay! Yan! Ano ka dito?